And in fact, we're going to be talking about the insurance sector. Kshitij Jain, the MD and CEO of Exide Life Insurance, joins in. And just to put it into perspective, this insurance company is the only life insurance company which is headquartered in that city. To talk more about that, we have Mr. Jain with us. Hi, Mr. Jain. Thank you very much for joining in. Well, you know, one of the things that stands out for Exide Life Insurance is that you all are 100% owned by an Indian company, and you all currently own 100% of Exide Life. So what is the prospect of an FDI or FII of 49% coming into Exide Life?
Yes, you are absolutely correct. We now are the only 100% Indian-owned private player. The 49% rule came out last year, and this does open up opportunities for the entire industry, including us. However, we have stated in the past before, our organization is very, very well capitalized. We are at upwards of 280% of regulatory solvency requirements, as a result of which we are in no hurry to induct a new partner.
Okay, Mr. Jain, good morning. So, no hurry for new partner. What about business? Because you had a decent FY15, double-digit growth in all parameters almost. Do you think you can replicate that in FY16 with a higher base?
I am actually very positive about the overall prospects of the industry, and I believe that the industry should grow at upwards of 10% this year, maybe closer to 15%. And our objective as an organization in new business this year is to grow at twice the pace of the industry.
Have FDI and FI, or has there been interest from foreign insurance companies, despite the fact that you might not be interested at this point in time?
So, my understanding is that there are some players who have shown interest overall as far as the sector is concerned. But I think it was still some time away before there was clarity as far as FIPB is concerned, which last week itself has now become clear. So to my mind, we will see some more traction going forward.
Okay, I heard you say industry growth of 15% and you want to be double of that. So I'll be looking at 30% growth number if you could repeat that. And what makes you so confident of achieving 30% growth?
So, three parts. I think our organization has been able to maintain new business growth over the last 3 years, despite the fact that the industry was flat. I believe that there are three reasons why we are well placed. Number one, we have always focused in the south in the past, but we've started expanding our reach now and our focus in the east to start with, which we will replicate further with north and west going forward. So we've actually ended up increasing our direct distribution, opened up 10 branches in the recent past. So I believe that there's going to be a lot of growth prospects as far as geography is concerned. Second is we are going to be launching a new investment-oriented product in this coming month. Our organization has traditionally focused only on long-term protection and savings solutions on the traditional platform, and we are going to be adding a significant slice of business in unit-linked as well. Finally, we've upped our game as far as recruiting agents are concerned. So in fact, last month we recruited 3,000 agents in the month itself, and we hope that this pace is going to continue.
Okay. Just give us a sense in terms of what Exide Life's market share currently stands at, and we do have some statistics with us indicating that in the month of June itself, average premium earned was up around 17% for private insurers, but for Exide Life it was down around 7% odd. Was that because of your distribution agreement with ING stalling?
That is correct. In the past, between 15 and 20% of our new business was contributed by the erstwhile ING USA Bank, and that distribution agreement came to an end in 2014. So that has had some impact as far as new business is concerned. Having said that, in all of last year, we were able to manage to grow new business and, of course, total premium incomes, even though we did not have ING USA Bank distributing anymore for us. So one quarter in our business, especially a small quarter like Q1 for top line, is not that material. I'm very confident that even without the distribution of ING USA Bank, the business will be able to deliver the growth numbers that I spoke about earlier.
And what about your market share that Ekta asked about?
So market shares, typically overall as an industry, and the reason why I'm so confident is we are roughly at 1% of the entire industry, which means that there is very, very big headroom for us, not just for us, but the entire private players in the market.
All right, sir. Thanks a lot for your time today. That's Exide Life, part of our Inside Bengaluru series. We'll take a break on that note, but